Hello, you are welcome to the second session of Unit 3. In this session, we shall be talking about general objectives for SHS Core Mathematics syllabus. Our objectives for the session is you should be able to explain the objectives of the SHS Core Mathematics syllabus after the end of the session. In our previous session, we talked about classification of objectives in the SHS Mathematics curriculum, and we realized that objectives can be classified into four headings. We have the knowledge objectives, skill objectives, appreciation objectives, and attitude objectives. Globally, we have objectives for teaching mathematics, and they cut across cultures. In this session, we shall be looking at the general objectives in the SHS Mathematics syllabus, either 2010 version or 2012 version. Let's look at general objectives that cut across cultures globally. Some of them are basic numeracy skills, which are meant for all students. Then we can talk about practical mathematics, which talks about arithmetic, elementary algebra, plane and solid geometry, trigonometry for most students, and this is to equip them to follow a trade or craft. So we can refer to those as practical mathematics, and they cut across cultures. We can also look at abstract mathematical concepts such as sets and functions at an early age. As early as in the primary school, students do sets and functions, but at a different level. So all these things cut across globally. Then we can talk of selected areas of mathematics such as Euclidean geometry, as an example of an axiomatic system and a model of deductive reasoning. So all these things are complex or abstract parts of mathematics that cut across globally. Selected areas of mathematics such as calculus as an example of the intellectual achievement of the modern world. So these ones to cut across. Advanced mathematics to those students who wish to follow career in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM fields. So they go further to deal with advanced mathematics, and at the SHS level, students of this nature must have prerequisite knowledge in elective mathematics topics. The teaching of heuristic and other problem-solving strategies to solve non-routine problems. So globally, the objectives of teaching mathematics in schools constitute these areas. Let's now focus our attention on objectives in the SHS Core Mathematics syllabus. So if you take the 2010 SHS Mathematics syllabus, you will find the objectives in it, and I'm going to give them to you. You can pause the video and look at them as I give you, because you can also refer to your syllabus to check to confirm. The first one is develop computational skills by using suitable methods to perform calculations. Recall, apply, and interpret mathematical knowledge in the context of everyday situations. So this talks about knowledge objectives. Develop the ability to translate word problems into mathematical language and solve them with related mathematical knowledge. Organize, interpret, and present information accurately in written, graphical, and diagrammatic forms. This talks about statistics. Then the sixth one, use mathematical and other instruments to measure and construct figures to an acceptable degree of accuracy. Geometry. Develop precise, logical, and abstract thinking. Analyze a problem, select a suitable strategy, and apply an appropriate technique to obtain its solution. And then estimate, approximate, and work to degrees of accuracy appropriate to context. So estimation and approximation there. So in all, we have 9 objectives there, and we can go on. The 10th one is organize and use spatial relationships in 2 or more 3 dimensions, particularly in solving problems. So shape and space there. Then the 11th one, respond orally to questions about mathematics, discuss mathematics ideas, and carry out mental computations. So it's not only practical, but orally you should be able to express yourself in mathematics. It's an objective of the SHS core mathematics that students should be able to do that. The 12th one, carry out practical and investigational works and undertake extended pieces of work. So practical investigational. So not only textbook questions should be given to the students, but they should also carry out investigational works. Then the last one, use the calculator to enhance understanding of numerical computations and solve real life problems. So the use of the calculator is to enhance understanding. So the students shouldn't, even if you ask them 1 + 1, then they take calculator. No, they shouldn't, use calculator to replace mental activities. Sometimes they have to use their mental, activities or ways of solving problems. But the use of calculator is to enhance understanding of numerical computations and solve real life problems. So we have 13 objectives in the SHS core mathematics syllabus, and you may refer to the syllabus to get more understanding of this. We have come to the end of today's session. I'll leave you with these questions. You look at them critically and discuss among yourselves.